This printer can print photos directly from your phone, which makes it a great gift for Mother's Day. It only took me 5 minutes to set it up, and you can also connect your social media accounts so you can print directly from your profile. You can also select multiple photos to make collages of your favorite pictures. And the app lets you edit photos before printing. It has a super sleek design, which makes it the ultimate gift for Mother's Day. 10 things I bought this month. This ottoman can turn into 4 separate stools so you have more seating in your living room. This trash can comes with a built-in compressor so you can take your ex out later. This is a levitating plant, which is a great decoration for any room in your house. This cup holder attaches to your laundry detergent and gives you a nice place to put the cup. This cervical pillow lets you comfortably sleep on your stomach, side, and your back. This is a kitchen towel holder and you can stick it on any type of surface. These hangers hold up to 5 different types of pants so you can put your clothes where the rats can't reach. This gadget fixes outlets that are loose. All you have to do is put it in the plug and then your cords will stay in the outlet. This gadget sticks to any bathroom counter and gives you a nice place to put curling irons and straighteners. This is an automatic window cleaner that can clean any type of window in just minutes. It comes with a remote so you can control it manually or set it to automatic so it cleans all by itself. Amazon Kitchen Find. This gadget spins around and makes it easy to dry your food. You can fold it to save space and you can also use it as a strainer. This is a spoon which has a notch on the side of it so it doesn't get the counter dirty when you set it down. It also has tablespoon measurements on it, which is super convenient. This is a glass rinser that sprays upward to clean cups. It connects to most plumbing systems and took me about 20 minutes to install. This gadget makes it easy to cut food in half and works best with tomatoes, fruit, and even meat. This is a vacuum sealed container for your kitchen. All you have to do is put your food in, and when you insert the cap, it removes all the air inside to keep your food fresh. Amazon Tech Find. This is a phone holder that you can attach to your laptop so you can multitask, and it also folds up to save room. This is an automatic window cleaner that can clean any type of window in a few minutes. It also comes with a remote if you want to control it manually. This is a fabric shaver that cleans up those annoying clumps of cloth that get on clothes that you've used for a long time. This is a temperature controlled mug, which has an app that lets you set the exact temperature that you want. This is a levitating plant that looks awesome, but I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna water it. This is a motion soap dispenser that attaches to your wall. It has an LED display that shows the temperature, and it dispenses foam soap, which we can all agree is the best type of soap. Random tech gadget. This is an infrared sauna that can go up to 194 degrees and it has all of these health benefits. Most saunas cost a ton of money and have to be installed by someone, but this one can plug into any outlet and folds up to save space. There's also a flap on the outside so you can keep your head out if you want. This is a sauna blanket which is portable and can reach 176 degrees. All you have to do is set the temperature and climb in, and you can use it anywhere around the house as an alternative to working out. Amazon Pet Find. This is a vacuum pet groomer that automatically sucks up the hair after you brush your dog. It comes with a bunch of attachments and even one that gets dog hair off your clothes. These buttons can be used to communicate with your dog. All you have to do is record words for each button, and then you can train your dog to talk to you. Me, bitch. This gadget lets you easily pick up dog poop without touching it. All you have to do is put the bag in, and then you can easily scoop it without it getting on your hands. This is the #1 selling dog bed on Amazon that's machine washable and has a foam base that is super comfortable. This dog toy has a button that releases food when it's pressed and makes your dog more tired than going on a walk. This dog bed is weatherproof and made out of a mesh that prevents joint pain and keeps your dog cool on hot days. This gadget cleans your dog's paws before going inside your house. This is a waterproof pet blanket that can handle any type of liquid, and it keeps the other side completely dry. 10 things I bought this month. This is a wireless printer that doesn't require any ink. You can use it to print documents from your phone or laptop, and it comes in this bag so you can use it on the go. This is a touchless paper towel dispenser that saves paper by drawing the unused strips back inside. These are mop slippers that make cleaning your house a lot more fun, and they also prevent foot marks after you mop your floors. This is a portable washing machine with 3 different wash settings, and it has a spout so you can empty the dirty water. This device lets you fill your bananas with your favorite sauce. All you have to do is poke a hole in it and then slowly push the filling into it. This is a spinning whisk, which makes it easy to stir things. All you have to do is press down and then it starts mixing. This gadget helps you fold your t-shirts and pants perfectly to keep your closet aesthetic. These are beverage barricades which protect your drinks from unwanted substances, and they're color coded so you know which drink is yours. This is an egg cracker for people who are bad at cooking, and it even comes with an attachment to separate the yolk. This is a reusable lint roller that's perfect for traveling, and to clean it, all you have to do is rinse it off. Amazon Kitchen Find. This basting brush comes with a pump so you can suck up oil and put it directly on your food. This is a wine opener that looks like a bat, and it's super easy to use. These measuring spoons look like cherries, and it even comes with an egg yolk separator. This dog bag holder looks like Superman, and it can attach to any type of leash. This is a digital meat thermometer that has a magnet on the back of it, and it tells you the exact temperature of what you're cooking. This is a Splatipus, which makes it easy to scoop everything out of a jar. 9 Amazon Home Find. This pot can plug into any outlet, and it lets you cook any type of food from your bed. This is a digital tape measure that tells you the exact measurement, and it also has a history so you can save measurement. This is an LOL stamp which covers up your personal information. It works on pill bottles, documents, and even packages. This is an infrared camera that can plug into any iPhone, and it tells you the temperature of any object even without light. These wool dryer balls have cute designs on them and naturally soften your clothes in the dryer, and they remove pet hair. These are mess-free nail clippers. They store the clippings inside a compartment so they're easy to throw out. This is a citrus rimmer that gets all of the juice out of fruit, and it can plug stuff too. This gadget can be put on the back of your phone, and it allows your phone to stick to almost any type of surface. This is a math stamp with addition and subtraction to help you get better at math. Amazon Home Find. These dryer balls have cute designs on them and naturally soften your clothes in the dryer. You can also add essential oils to make your clothes smell good. And not only do they dry your clothes faster, they also remove pet hair and static electricity. They also come in this bag so you can store them all in one place. Home Depot Tech Find. This light bulb has a built-in speaker and can change the color of the bulb to the beat of music. This is a motion sensor light bulb that automatically turns on when it detects movement, so you don't need to use the light switch. This bulb emits yellow light so it doesn't attract any bugs, so it's perfect when you're outdoors or camping. This bulb emits black light, which means that white objects will glow in the dark, which is great if you're cleaning or just want to look cool. This light bulb has a switch so you're able to change the lighting temperature, and it has a white filament on the inside which makes it look aesthetic, and it only costs about $1 per year of electricity. Top 15 Amazon products for August. This is a Lazy Susan, which makes it easy to pass food around your kitchen table. This is an indoor bed tent that has roll-up windows and a mesh so you can keep out bugs. This gadget lets you connect AirPods or other headphones to the audio plug on airplanes. This is a citrus trimmer which gets all of the juice out of fruit, and it can plug stuff too. These coasters fit inside your cup holders, which is a great way to keep your car clean. This is the brightest flashlight in the world, which can light up an entire dark room and make it look like the lights are on. This trash can has a built-in compactor which helps you save money on trash bags. This gadget plugs into your car's outlet and gives you a touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This bottle washer sticks on the side of your sink and makes it easy to clean any type of cup. These toilet seat covers are machine washable and super soft, so you're more comfortable on the Oval Office. This is a locker for people who are addicted to their phone, and it only opens up when the timer goes off. This is a self-extinguishing candle, so you don't have to worry about burning your house down. And 1 inch is about 20 minutes of burn time. This gadget looks like a regular can, but it has a secret compartment so you can hide your valuables where no one can find them. This is a folding board which lets you fold clothes perfectly like they do in stores. This is an LOL stamp which covers up personal information on pill bottles, packages, and even documents. Top 15 travel finds from Amazon. This is a rideable luggage scooter so you'll never miss a flight, and it even has a built-in phone charger. This is a luggage strap that lets you attach any bag to your carry-on, which makes traveling a lot easier. This carry-on comes with a cup holder and a phone stand so you can charge your phone while you're walking around. This gadget lets you connect your AirPods or other headphones to the audio plug on airplane. This is a reusable lint roller that's perfect for traveling, and to clean it, all you have to do is rinse it off. This is a pillow that transforms into a blanket, and it also has a strap so you can attach it to your carry-on. This is an airplane pocket that slides onto your tray table, and it gives you a lot more storage space. This is a suitcase cover which is water resistant and protects your luggage from damage and other substances. This gadget can clip onto the tray table or stand up by itself so you can watch movies on the go. This is a mini perfume bottle that holds up to 70 sprays, and it's easy to fill up, which makes it perfect for traveling. This pouch slides onto your luggage and has 2 cup holders and a pocket for your phone. This water bottle folds up to save space, and it has a clip so you can attach it to your bag. This portable closet can be hung up in your hotel room so you can organize your clothes, and it fits perfectly in your suitcase. This is a luggage scale so you never show up to the airport with an overweight bag again. This is a cord organizer bag that lets you store up to 15 different types of chargers. This gadget opens your curtains at the push of a button, and you can set a schedule so it does it at a certain time. This luggage has a built-in scooter so you can get around the airport quickly, and it folds up to save space. This is a height increaser which you can put inside your shoes, and it can add 2 inches to your height, which is perfect for short kings. This is a spinning mop that has a bunch of different attachments, and it can clean any type of surface. It's rechargeable and has an extension arm for those hard to reach places. This is a candle stopper that has a spring so it can extinguish the flame all by itself. This is an umbrella hat so you don't have to use your hands to hold it, and it helps you stay dry when it's raining. This is a hair tie with a secret compartment so you can hide your valuables where no one can find them. This gadget sticks on any type of door, and it soundproofs your room, and this is what it sounds like before and after you install it. This dog collar has a built-in leash, and it's retractable so you can grab it whenever you need to. This gadget clips on the bottom of your bed sheets and removes all the wrinkles just like they do at hotels. This is a flat plug for outlets behind furniture so you can push them in all the way. This is a blind cleaner, which is the best way to clean your windows, and it also has a brush on the other side of it. These pots automatically water your plants by keeping the soil moist, and you can easily see how much water is left. This is a hair catcher that sticks on your shower so you can put hair all in one place and take it out when you need to. This is a fabric shaver that cleans up those annoying lint balls on clothes that you've used for a long time. This is the world's best translating device, but how does it actually work? Once you talk into it, it translates into another language, and when the other person responds, it translates it back into your native language so you can have a full conversation.
Welcome, just use Uber, it works here.
It can translate over 76 languages, and it comes with free unlimited internet that you can use in nearly 200 countries. You can also take a photo of any object and get an instant translation right on the screen, which makes traveling a lot easier. The battery lasts up to 4 days on a single charge, and its small size makes it easy to carry around. This is the world's smartest cleaning robot. It can vacuum and mop your floors, and once the pads get dirty, it goes back to the station to clean it all by itself. It also knows when the vacuum's full, so it can empty itself automatically, and it can even detect when it's by stairs so that it doesn't fall off. The mop scrubs over 40 times per second, and it dries the floors at 104 degrees, which kills bacteria and eliminates odors. It works on all types of floors, and it can scan your house to know which rooms to clean and which areas to avoid. You can even set a schedule so that it only starts cleaning at a certain time of the day, and if you make a mess, you can program it to focus on a specific area so the robot can make it as good as new. This is called a mesh Wi-Fi system. If there's a spot in your house that doesn't have good Wi-Fi, just put one of these nearby and it makes the Wi-Fi signal super strong. It comes with 3 nodes that you can put anywhere around your house, and you can even plug in your gaming console or TV directly in the system to get even faster internet speed. After I set everything up, my Wi-Fi was literally 5 times better.